our school principal to Mrs. Fralin Villones, to our teachers, parents, my fellow graduates, and to the barangay officials of both barangay, and also to our visitors. Once again, good afternoon. As we close our program, I want to extend my greatest gratitude and thanks to especially to our Almighty God for giving us a good weather to celebrate this important event. And to our joyful, active, and dynamic school principal to Mrs. Fralin B. Leones for the support that she had given to us. To our parents, nga nagpirmi, nga nag-guide, kag wala kang kapabaya sa amon, haling sa pagtungtong namon sa high school. Aragid ka mo nga nagasuporta kag nagasalig sa amon sa mga tion nga kami wala na nagasalig sa amon kagalikon. Salamat din sa inyo. Ay kung wala man kamo, wala man kami subong sa sining ation. Also to our teachers and advisors, thank you so much, moms and sirs. To the love, support, guide, and learnings and realization that is a great contribution to our growth as a person. Balat ko kung ano kabudlay ang pagiging isa ka teacher, but still, wala niyo kami gitabayan sa piyak sa paghatag naman sa inyo sa mga stress. Sakit sa ulo kagakapoy, araman gyapon ka mga willing magtudlo sa amon para sa amon niya buwas lang. Most of all, to Sir Judy Jimena, sa piyak sa kanyang kabisyon, araman siya gihapon na willing magtudlo sa mga lessons kag mga lessons sa kabuhi. Nga nagahatag inspiration sa amon tanan para malabot namon ang among handom sa kabuhi. Sa akong mga best friends, nga all throughout sa sininga journey, aragig sa akong kilid, nga nagabulig kag nagasuporta, my hymns clan. Specifically, Louis Having Sorto, Manang Hazel Advenancio, Janet Hernandez, Rosie Horda, Daneling Pisaison, Jamaica Momento, Jessa May Damasio, and Bea Salve. Thank you so much. You have done all your part as my best friends. I am so proud of you. I am so proud of you. To my classmates and fellow graduates, na survived yung manaton in a year, and we are now moving to the most serious part, the new beginning and the new chapter of our lives. Despite some mga disappointments, failures, luha, kakapoy, hindi ko naging kaya kagungkis na ang data na lang na mag-give up na lang kita. Budlay-budlay na gidya, pero tanan ini nga aton nga nagyan, ari man kitang ihapon nga nagatindog, because we must remember that failures and disappointments is part of our lives as we are going to reach our dreams, and that is not a reason to stop and give up. Just trust God and surrender all to Him, because we can overcome all of Him. And time will come after the dark ages that we experience. The morning will shine, and we will see the path that we deserve to walk in to bring us to success. Before I end this, I want to leave this quote by Winston Churchill that says, "Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts." Achieving success does not mean the journey is over. It is a milestone, not a permanent state. We must continue to strive, elevate, and grow. Resting on your own honor can lead to pride and depression. Mistakes and setbacks are part of any journey. They are not death, but rather opportunities to learn and improve. Failure provides valuable lessons that can pave the way for the future success. The essence of hard work and achievements lies in persistence. It is determination and bravery to keep going despite challenges, failures, and even successes that truly define your journey. This resilience is what ultimately leads to lasting achievements. Churchill's words encourage a mindset of resilience and continuous efforts. They remind us that neither success nor failure is permanent, but our persistence and courage in the face of both define our independent path. Once again, thank you so much everyone for being part of this success. Congratulations, my fellow graduates. God bless and good afternoon.
What a way to close the ceremony that was ended in moving closing remarks. Thank you, Mr. Ignacio.
Music is the expression of the soul. It actually moves emotions and it feels with the movement.